In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Wix website, all within a quick 5-minute process. Whether you've made a recent change you're unhappy with, or if an error needs correction, knowing how to revert to a previous version of your website can be incredibly valuable. Let's dive right in and get your site back on track. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your site's dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your site. If you've got multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one that you wish to restore. Once there, look for the Edit Site option and go ahead and click that. This will take you to your website editor, the place where all the creative magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll find a tab labeled Site. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From the drop-down, select Site History. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Site History feature is essentially a timeline for your site, showing every major revision ever made. It's like your personal archive of all your website's changes. Here, you'll see a list of all the different versions of your site. Each version will have a timestamp, making it easy to pinpoint exactly when changes were made. Now, hover your mouse pointer over any version that stands out to you, one that you think contains the setup you're aiming to restore. Once you find the version you're looking for, a small arrow, kind of like a greater than symbol, will appear. You'll want to click on that arrow to proceed. After that, a Restore option will be visible. Click on Restore to replace the current version of your site with the selected one. Wix will prompt you with a confirmation just to make sure you haven't changed your mind. Once you confirm, your site will load with the restored settings and content. It's worth noting that the restored version will replace the current version, so any changes made since that timestamp will be lost unless backed up elsewhere. Always ensure that this is precisely the version you wish to revert to before confirming. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've restored your Wix website to a previous version. It's a useful skill to have for anyone managing their own site, offering peace of mind, knowing that you can swiftly correct mishaps or undesired changes. Thanks for watching, and happy website editing.